In all proceedings, more particularly involving a minor child alleged to be a victim under the POCSO Act, the paramount consideration shall always remain the welfare, emotional security, dignity, and psychological well being of the child. Psychological or psychiatric evaluation of a child victim shall not be directed as a matter of routine merely because issues of custody, visitation, or parental access arise between litigating parents and relatives. Before directing any such evaluative process concerning the child, the court shall record specific reasons demonstrating the necessity of such evaluation, the purpose sought to be achieved,